Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of e-commerce as we explore the ins and outs of dropshipping for beginners. If you've ever dreamt of running your own online store without the hassle of managing inventory, this is the perfect guide for you. So, grab your notepads and let's dive into the fascinating realm of dropshipping. Number 1. Understanding dropshipping. 1. Definition of dropshipping. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is dropshipping? Dropshipping is an e-commerce fulfillment method where the seller doesn't stock or handle the products. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. It's a business model that allows you to focus on marketing and sales without the headaches of inventory management. 2. Why choose dropshipping? So, why should beginners consider dropshipping? Well, the main advantage is the low barrier to entry. You don't need to invest heavily in inventory, and you can start your online store with minimal upfront costs. Additionally, you have the flexibility to operate your business from anywhere in the world. 3. Key players in dropshipping. In the dropshipping ecosystem, there are 3 key players: the supplier, the seller, that's you, and the customer. The supplier is responsible for manufacturing and shipping the products, while you, the seller, focus on marketing and customer relations. Number 2. Getting started with dropshipping. 1. Choosing your niche. The first step in dropshipping is choosing your niche. What products are you passionate about, and what is in demand? Research trending products and identify a niche that aligns with your interests and has a potential customer base. 2. Finding reliable suppliers. The success of your dropshipping business hinges on finding reliable suppliers. Look for suppliers who offer quality products, reliable shipping, and good communication. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehoo can help you connect with reputable suppliers. 3. Setting up your online store. With your niche and suppliers in mind, it's time to set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce make it easy for beginners to create professional-looking stores without extensive technical knowledge. 4. Optimizing your product listings. When creating product listings, focus on high-quality images and compelling product descriptions. Highlight the benefits of each product and provide clear information about shipping times and return policies. Transparency builds trust with your customers. Number 3. Marketing your dropshipping business. 1. Social media marketing. Social media is a powerful tool for marketing your dropshipping business. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products, engage with your audience, and run targeted ads to reach potential customers. 2. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to expand your reach. Influencers can create content featuring your products, providing social proof and driving traffic to your store. Make sure to choose influencers whose audience aligns with your target market. 3. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your online store for search engines to improve its visibility. Conduct keyword research, optimize product descriptions, and build backlinks to enhance your store's ranking on search engine results pages. 4. Email marketing. Build an email list to nurture relationships with your customers. Send regular newsletters, promotions, and updates to keep your audience engaged. Email marketing is a powerful tool for driving repeat business and increasing customer loyalty. Number 4. Managing operations. 1. Order fulfillment. With dropshipping, order fulfillment is handled by your suppliers. When a customer places an order on your store, you purchase the product from your supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. Stay organized and monitor order statuses to ensure smooth operations. 2. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and credibility. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, address concerns, and handle returns or issues with professionalism. 3. Monitoring and analyzing data. Regularly monitor and analyze data related to your store's performance. Track sales, website traffic, and customer behavior. Use analytics tools to gain insights and make data-driven decisions to optimize your business strategy. Number 5. Scaling your dropshipping business. 1. Adding more products. As your dropshipping business gains traction, consider expanding your product catalog. Introduce complementary products or variations to cater to a broader audience. 2. Scaling advertising efforts. If your marketing efforts are yielding positive results, consider scaling your advertising efforts. Increase your ad budget, explore new marketing channels, and refine your targeting to reach a larger audience and boost sales. 3. Building brand identity. Building a strong brand identity sets your dropshipping business apart. Focus on creating a recognizable logo, consistent visual elements, and a cohesive brand message. Number 6. Common challenges and tips. 1. Shipping times and communication. One common challenge in dropshipping is managing shipping times. Be transparent with your customers about expected delivery times and set realistic expectations. Clear communication builds trust and reduces the likelihood of misunderstandings. 2. Market saturation. Some niches in dropshipping can become saturated, making it challenging to stand out. Differentiate your business by offering unique products, providing exceptional customer service, and focusing on niche markets with less competition. Dropshipping for beginners is an exciting journey into the world of e-commerce. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. If you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.